To my surprise, I cleared my online assessment with Indigo Airlines. So in this video, I'm mainly going to share my questions of online assessment. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is my first ever YouTube video. When you give your online assessment, they will be asking you 10 questions. 9 questions will be in English language and other one last question will be in Hindi. And also, you will be given time limit of 1 minute and 20 seconds. And you have to speak for at least 1 minute and 10 seconds. Now coming back to my first question in my online assessment, it was, tell me about your favorite place in your hometown. Why do you like it and where is it located? Again, talking about the time limit, it was 1 minute 20 seconds and I stopped after finishing my answer below 40 seconds. I took a good 5 seconds pause and then I was pretty confused. What do I have to say? So I said, this is all about my favorite place. Then I stopped. Then I started my answer again. Like, another quality I like about this place is this. Now see guys, I already ruined my first impression, which was answering the first question. Still they saw all my other 9 questions answers and they selected me. So if I can clear my online assessment, so can you. It is a piece of cake. Now the second question was, how do you manage your monthly budget? And in this question I said something very strange and outrageous, which I'm not going to share in this video, otherwise this video will become so long and you will not be able to follow everything, right? Coming to the third question, it was, talk about your favorite singer or actor and why do you like them? What is your favorite quality about them? Then I spoke about Taylor Swift and what do I like about her. Now coming to the fourth question, it was my favorite question guys, and this was the bestest question that I encountered and the bestest I answered so far in the series of 10 questions. So the question was, how do you stay updated to news, and also how do you make sure that the news you're consuming is fact based? This is a very unique but again traditional question. They ask it even in interviews, they tend to ask it. So it's not that much complicated, anyone can answer it. Now the fifth question was, how do you spend your weekends? And again, it is a very simple and basic question. Everybody who is preparing for crew knows the answer to it. And the sixth question was, let me think guys. The sixth question was, talk about a time you worked as a part of a team and how did you help your team members? Because I have work experience, so this question was a piece of cake for me because I already prepared myself to answer my work related questions. And the seventh question was, talk about the time you joined a coaching center and also mention about the progress you witnessed. Although in 20 years of my journey, I have never ever joined any coaching centers regarding communication or education purpose. I have always studied on my own. But in that moment, I could not think of anything. So I just said that to improve my communication, I am not going to share the answer. If you want to see the answer, if you want to know the answer guys, please comment below and let me know. I will make a separate video. Otherwise this video will going to last 10 minutes long, which I definitely want to avoid. As I gave my online assessment on 10th of April and it has already been more than 20 days, so I kind of forgot the questions. But I will share the Hindi question that I was asked in my assessment, and it was, आप अपना खाली समय कैसे व्यतीत करती हैं? This was the question. It was in pure Hindi, and because I answered 9 questions continuously in English, I had to pause for 10 seconds before starting my answer. I forgot how to speak in Hindi. But after starting, I also kind of messed up my answer in Hindi. Like, guys, this is all about my first online assessment that I gave with Indigo Airlines. And this is my first video, so I don't want to keep it that much longer. But if you found it helpful and if you want to know my answers and how did I speak, what made sure that I get selected in the assessment, then you please comment down below and I will share everything with you in the next video. Thank you so much guys, and please keep on supporting me because this is my first video and I want to share everything related to communication, cabin crew and aviation industry. So if you really want to be part of my journey, then please subscribe my channel and like and comment.